Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना, कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है अब तेरी माँ।
मेरी जर्नी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अप्स एंड डाउन्स रहे हैं मेरी जर्नी में, जहाँ पर I have played a bahu and then how I decided to change my image and become this fashionista. Honestly, I did not think of it. I think Bigg Boss did the trick for me, the kind of projects I opted for, and then I wanted to prove myself as an actor as well. Then the Can Walk, and then I went to New York to do some stuff. So I think मैं कहीं ना कहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत डेडिकेटेडली मेहनत की है, बहुत मेहनत की. आफ्टर बिग बॉस आई हैव really worked hard, and when hard work pays off, you really feel good.
I have a special connection with them because मैं रोज़ without fail एक बार इंडिया फोरम्स की वेबसाइट पे जाती हूँ and I check what comments my fans have sent.
YRKKH ने बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ दिया है, मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है, करण को बहुत कुछ दिया है.
The happiest moment in the house was when Ro came.
Okay.
Yeah.
The most emotional one.
Again when he came. अनुष्का की तरह मैं छेड़खानी कर रही हूँ and all that. She doesn't do that, but I've just tried to copy because this wig was very bad. मैंने लाइफ में पहली बार एक लड़के की विग पहनी है, लड़के के बालों वाली विग पहनी है.
भी एक फॉलोइंग होती है हर साल. लाइक इफ यू सी मी, आई एम अ बिग बॉस फैन एंड आई वॉच बिग बॉस एवरी सीजन. तो मैं एज अ व्यूअर अगर मैं बिग बॉस शो देखती हूँ तो हर सीजन मेरे कंटेस्टेंट्स बदलते हैं, चेंज होते हैं, और उन 18 या 14 कंटेस्टेंट्स में से एक कंटेस्टेंट मेरा फेवरेट हो जाता है. तो हम उतने बड़े नहीं हैं जितना बड़ा ये शो है, और इस शो की एक व्यूअरशिप है, और उस हिसाब से अगर कुछ व्यूअर्स को एक कंटेस्टेंट ज्यादा अच्छा लग गया और उसको जिता दिया, डजंट मीन मैं कम हूं या फिर बाकी लोग जिन्होंने किया है वो कम हैं. सबने अपना अपना बराबर दिया है. और जैसे कि सलमान ने अभी हम दोनों से बात करके यही कहा कि कुछ थाउजेंड्स का फर्क है. सो दैट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. आई बिलीव हम जो टॉप 4 थे, चाहे वो विकास हो जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा खेला है इस शो में, हमारी बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हुई हैं, बट ही वॉज ऑलवेज अ कॉम्पिटिशन. और हम जो टॉप 4 कंटेस्टेंट्स थे, वी ऑल आर विनर्स. 2 हफ्ते पहले सलमान ने बोल दिया था कि आपका गेम खत्म हो गया, अभी सब वोट्स पे डिपेंड.
एक चीज़ मुझे घर के अंदर अपने बारे में बहुत अच्छी लगी, जो भी उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हुए, जो भी लोगों ने जज किया, whatever happened, but I felt very very proud of myself that I was me. Whatever I was in the house, I was what I am now. Like abhi bhi when I meet people, when I meet the contestants, they say yaar tu to वैसी है. मतलब I see the other side now. Like I'm not saying कि बुरी है या कुछ है, but एक और side है, but मैं वैसी ही हूँ. So I am glad कि मैं जैसी थी मैं वैसी ही थी.
I'm excited, but ज़्यादा excitement मुझे कमोले का प्ले करने में हो रही है. When I'm on sets, I love to be in the character. I love to do my lines and perform. It's so much fun. It's very different than what I've done, and I'm loving this space. हाँ, मेरा बहुत मन करता था कभी कभी कि मैं आप लोगों को बता दूँ, आप लोगों को तो नहीं, कम से कम अपने फैंस को बता दूँ. कभी कभी ऐसा भी लगता था मेरे पास किसी फैन का मोबाइल नंबर होता ना, तो मैं किसी अननोन नंबर से बोलती मैं ही हूँ. ऐसा भी होता था, बिकॉज माई फैंस यूज्ड टू रियली क्राई समटाइम्स, यार कितना सताओगे. बट आई थिंक इट वॉज वर्थ द वेट.
One celebrity whose Instagram game you love?
Instagram game I love, I think Deepika. Yeah, I like her pictures, like and Priyanka. I like her candid stuff, Priyanka's candid stuff. She is I've met her, so although we did meet for a long time and we did speak a lot, so I get an idea by that what kind of a person she is, and I can relate to her.
she's a free spirit, and she doesn't care. You know, that I don't care attitude that makes you fall in love with her.
One thing web has and TV does not.
I wouldn't say TV doesn't have it, but we do not prefer such stuff because as we know how television works, the kind of audience television has is like they want to see over dramatic stuff, and they want to see people, you know, like if you talk about me, you've seen my performance as Komalika, you've seen my performances otherwise also on television. We are very dramatic when it comes to television. But when it comes to web and films, you got to cut down it to like not even 50%. It has to be 10% of what you actually deliver on television. Because usually when you talk naturally, this is how you talk and this is how you act in films and in web. So that is, I think, one big difference. But that is what television demands. That doesn't mean that we can't do web, we can't do films. We don't know how to act. We definitely know, given a chance. Thank you.
Vishri, मैंने इस साल कोई शादी अटेंड नहीं करी है. I'm telling you both of them, please plan Rocky and her, ताकि भाई मतलब मजा सा तो है.
hearts, यार
Life
बाबा
में.
कर लेंगे शादी. You know, we are soulmates. कर लेंगे शादी.
पता नहीं यार. मुझे पार्टी चाहिए बस. I'm the only that one thing I'm just seeking out from both of them is food.
He's my best critic. He's everything to me. My soulmate.
You have.
I have a mic.
मुझे लगा तेरे बालों से छुप गया, मुझे दिखा नहीं.
Also, we asked her about making it to the sexiest Asian women's chart.
Gee, sex lady on the floor.
I'm gonna kill him for this. You see, I'll go to his house and kill him. Yes, मुझे भी I got to know a day before, and it was lovely to see you doing well.
DM the following lines too. Why are you always partying?
I think Sahil. Yeah, Sahil from Kasauti. He's all the time partying. Whenever you see him, he's partying. And he keeps inviting us as well. I think Parth as well. But chalo Parth to fir bhi I like see his stories, like he shoots as well. But these guys party.
Backstory of the following pictures.
This one is with PC. This is outside the elevator. Yeah. She was leaving for her vanity party after she partied with us, and she really insisted me to accompany them, but I kind of was like overwhelmed and utna nahi sambhala ja raha tha, so I was like nahi abhi bahan nahi jana. So before she left, I took this picture with her. So, this is, I think I remember the quote as well, a little blue, a little yellow, a little blue, but you're my poo, something like that the caption is. So this is for the first time I clicked Poo's picture once I got it back after the Bigg Boss disaster, when they asked me to give it away. It's still blue somewhere. So yeah, it's that picture. This is Switzerland. Yeah, I think we took this picture in Switzerland in a train, I guess. Yeah, we were out and we were in a train to somewhere, and that's where we took this picture. This is in Maldives with my family after our first dive. No, actually this is before our dive. Yeah, that's it. So I of course I'll remember, yeah, Baba.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
Hi, this is Hina Khan and you're watching me on India Forums.